Today, let's introduce the CBN internal grinding wheel. CBN grinding wheels are mainly used for inner grinding of bearing, compressor, CVJ ball cage, hydraulic tappets, universal joint, stator and rotor. There are two main types of our CBN wheel, ID wheel with shank and ID wheel without shank. CBN grinding wheels have the advantages of high workpiece precision, easy to dress body, good workpiece consistency and long lifetime. If you want to know more about CBN grinding wheel, please contact us.